welcome to my new subscribers. Today's video, I'll be installing my permanent lock extensions on a client that has thinning in the front and middle of his head. As you can see, the size that I made for him is 0.4 in thickness, which is similar to a number 2 pencil. And the length mixture I chose is 4, 6, and 8 inches, totaling 60 locks that I install on him. I made and installed the locks via crochet method. Locks can be purchased on my website, www.truelocksystem.com. I will post the link in the description box. I use 100% human hair to make the locks. My locks can be bleached and dyed. Look at how beautiful they came out. My client is so happy. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and click the notification bell for all the video uploads. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you all soon.